Okay, we have here a Samsung tablet. It's currently on, but nothing on the screen. I can hear it go. I can hear it unlock. You hear that click? Yeah, but nothing on the screen. Client said they were using it. All of a sudden, they were playing game. All of a sudden, the screen went off. So let's attempt to have a look at the connection, see if anything has come loose. Hopefully it's something simple. Easy.
Look, chances are going up there is just easy. I'm coming here sort of 3 times a week anyway. So.
Yeah, I'll go there, pick up all the stuff, and I'll bring yours, no problem, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Did you need any money or anything?
Not yet, as long as you're not going far.
Nah, man, I'm in the business for the long term, man. I'm in the business for a long term, yeah.
Good, good.
I've got so much going for me. Look, you know, I don't pay attention. I'm not that like mentally down on it. You know, I try to be positive and just enjoy life, get on with things, and it worked out. Don't need to be like, you know, feel sorry for me kind of thing. Just move on.
This polarity thing is...
Yeah, that's a big risk at the moment for me.
Yeah,
so I've got the like low immune system is a big risk, you know, for me. So
people with low immune and mixing back the lupus thing, so I'm thinking, you wouldn't want to be sort of shock fronting at the moment. That's sort of really working your back office.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I look at people, healthy people, they're all working from home, and I'm like, I'm here in the retail. Yeah, I'm in good hands. My special. Now, this ribbon cable apparently is known to be design flaw. It's not all the way going in. Okay, and where is the camera here? Put this guy in. Alright, let's see the magic happen. I'll put the battery in. Okay, power on the unit. Look at that. Definitely, shish kebab. Accidentally, this cable didn't go in properly, so I'm going to shut it down. Okay, let's put something more permanent there. Okay, like an idiot, I think I've got that camera wrong way around. Should be painting out or pointing out. Okay. Beautiful. And do another test. cool. I'll test the cameras. Beautiful, all good. So this is potentially a common problem on these tablets.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.